Well, with our winds overnight, it is a good reminder to think about preparing for windstorms.
KREM 2's Brandon T. Jones continues our weather impact alert coverage. Here's the latest from Brandon.
Well, you know, it never hurts to provide a few reminders and just serve as a refresher again as we enter the winter season and then also windstorm season. So let's start first with some low-hanging fruit. Remove any loose items around your house. Do kind of a little surveillance around, and then also take a look right here behind us, because again, we got those strong gusts last night. Not seeing a bunch of damage around the region, but incidents like this one right here, they were possible last night, and this tree came down because of those strong winds last night. But once you start making your way around your house, checking for loose items, go ahead and turn your attention next to the trees near your home. Trim any branches that are inching up to either your house or power lines near your home. I saw a couple of downed branches on my commute this morning. Again, this is probably what we're looking at right here, the extent of that damage. Outside of the branches though, right now our soil is saturated. Assess and check for dying trees near your property. Get them cut down if you can, and those go down the easiest in strong winds. Of course, healthy trees can go down as well, but those dying trees, they will fall the hardest. And in the event we have a windstorm that knocks out power, make sure you have an emergency kit. So start checking on that now. Make sure you've got things like blankets, batteries, food, anything that your family may need in the event of an emergency. Again, we're just providing a few reminders, not trying to scare anyone, but windstorms, strong winds are definitely possible this time of the year since we live here in the inland northwest. But for now reporting, Brandon T. Jones, KREM 2 News.